Hello and welcome back to Growing Family Garden. Today we're going to show you our top 10 super vegetables to sow in March. And what you need to do is you need to put 2 in each hole. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Like this. Over there. Wow, right, spread it out. Push them in like that. So the roots go at the bottom. Where's the roots?
Yeah.
Yes, so put it in like that. That's very good. Put it in halfway. That's it. Perfect. We like to do our onions from sets, but you can multi-sow them. This year we're doing Stuttgarter, Sturon, Setton and Centurion. Next up we're going to do some spinach. Last year we had no luck with our sowings whatsoever, but this year we've got Melia and we have Cello varieties. We're going to multi-sow them 3 or 4 to a pod. Let's see how we get on. Next up we have broad beans. I do sow some directly straight into the ground towards the end of March, early April, but we are going to start some in our seed trays. Next up we have our potatoes. Who'd have thought that in only 13 days we've gone from this to one of these. Now we don't usually start them off in the house. This is the first year we've done it and there's a little bit of a trial, but it's really important that we start chitting these in the greenhouse. There's one.
That's another. This one.
Yep.
That one too.
Next up we've got some rocket and then some chard. We're going to multi-sow these also. For the chard we're going to do 3 to a pod. And for the rocket, just a little pinch in each one. And just light covering. Our radish we're going to do 4 or 5 to a pod. What we're going to do with our lettuce this year is something a little bit different. In previous years, what we've done is we've kind of batch sown it and then pricked them out into individual pods. But what we're going to do this year is we're probably just going to put 8 to 10 little seedlings, like a little pinch in each of the little cells, and just make sure that we're left with 1 or 2 at the end. And we're just going to pull them out that way. You get enough seeds in these packets, so hopefully it'll be a much quicker process. Next, we've got our beetroot bolt hardy. We do this 4 or 5 seeds per cell. It was our best germinator last year. Well, that's all that we've got time for today at Growing Family Garden. I know I'm going to be busy. I've got some more onion sets and potatoes to plant up, but I hope it's inspired you to go out and get into the garden, get your hands dirty now that you know what our 10 super vegetables to sow in March are. If you like what we're doing, press subscribe and follow us on our journey. See you later.